Hey guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. Okay, so I want to make sure I'm getting your videos out on time, not skipping days like I usually do. So we're gonna see what's in store for us Tuesday, and hopefully I'm gonna try to make a mid-month horoscope video soon. So this card is coming up an awful lot. Really nice card. Upright, it means like your angels are encouraging you to be playful, free-spirited, carefree. When it's in reverse, they could be telling you to be kind of like cautious of who you spend your time with, as far as like energy, because you could be surrounded by energy vampires or people who want to use you or abuse you. So be careful at like who you spend your time with, who you invest in. Make sure you're resting, drinking lots of water, taking care of yourself. Some of you guys are working way too hard, hence myself, trying to get all these things to you guys. And you really need to rest, because you're going to feel like you're drained and you don't have energy. This is also encouraging you to get outside if you're an empath, light worker, things of that nature. Next card here is the angels are carrying you along your way. So for those of you who feel like you were lost a moment ago, or you don't know where you're going, your angels are helping you along your way. They're kind of pushing you in that general direction. So keep doing what you're doing as far as like pursuing your passions. So if you're a YouTuber, you're a tarot reader, you're a singer, artist, if you're working on it diligently every day, you're doing exactly what your guides want you to do, and that craft will take you where you need to be. For example, when I go to hostels, I do readings online, but I also do them in person, and I make money both ways. So you'll find opportunities as they come. Be open with your craft. A lot of time ago, I made a video about how to accept your gifts, because I would never be open with my craft, because I felt kind of embarrassed about it, and like it was taboo. But the more you're open, the more opportunities come your way. Hi. So this card is in reverse, but upright, it means further knowledge. So some of you guys obviously are considering going back to school, like in my previous readings, but it's in reverse. So a lot of you guys are putting it on hold for some reason. Maybe it's self-doubt, but some of you guys need to explore further education. It doesn't have to be always traditional. It can be trade schools, it can be in a particular field like art, things like that. But yeah, take a look into further education and travel. So I'm going to pull 2 more cards and see where you guys are at today. Alright, I love this card too. It's like Kundalini, but in reverse. So some of you guys could be going through a Kundalini Awakening right now, and you're kind of like feeling out of whack. Your energy could be feeling like out of place, especially like all the moon phases going on at this time. Enjoy yourself nonetheless in this change. This energy could be taking you to greater places, so enjoy the exploration while it lasts. Alright, last card here is your guides are encouraging you to speak up. Maybe it's about a particular movement that you're proud of, or a cause that you want to fight for, but speak up, use your platform for things that matter. And remember, a message that I've been getting a lot all day today is that you are unique. Own who you are, love who you are completely. You don't need anyone to tell you to love yourself, give you permission to love yourself. But yeah, that's it, you guys. Be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.